Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the treehouse, and welcome to the Christmas spirit that is happening in here. Yeah, the treehouse has a tree. So today I thought I would put a vlog out. Not a whole lot's going on. I'm editing a video for the channel, my cooking segment, because every good vlogger should have that. Yeah, don't try this at home. But the other thing is that I'm putting together a surprise for Jen this Saturday. If you don't know who Jen is, you need to follow my Instagram. And so she has no idea what it is. And I don't know if I should say it on this vlog, but she's asking me how to dress, and it's sort of an outside thing. But it's ball gown appropriate. Yeah, Jen has no idea what we're doing, just that it's booked for 7 o'clock on Saturday. I'm gonna give her a quick call and see if she wants to know what the secret is.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going well. How are you?
Good. It's going well for me as well.
Excellent. So, do you want to know? Because it actually could be ball gown appropriate.
Yeah, but if it's outside, that sounds cold.
Yeah, it's gonna be cold. I need to buy a blanket.
I was looking at blankets the other day, too.
Were you?
Yes.
Curious.
It is curious.
Maybe you already know what my surprise is.
No, I don't think so, because I was just buying them so that I wouldn't have to every time we needed to go sit in the living room and it was freezing cold.
That's awesome. I'm recording this for my vlog.
You are not.
I totally am.
You're going to edit that part out?
I wasn't gonna, but... Yeah. I guess I should have said, hey, this is being recorded.
Yeah, maybe. A heads up would have been good.
You'll watch it tonight and you'll be like, oh, look, there I am.
Look at how great that is. That's amazing.
Oh dear. Oh boy.
Okay, so wear my best winter ball gown on Saturday. Got it.
Yes. I gotta Cinderella this shit up.
So then you're going to have to tell me what is happening.
What, right now?
No. I haven't. No, I changed my mind. Never mind. No.
I wanted to call and record this so I could drive you crazy.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. That was lovely of you.
Thanks. You know, when you're hurting for content.
You were fantastic. Thanks for dragging me into your mess.
Oh my god. Okay, I will talk to you later. I will say, maybe I'll like leave little breadcrumbs. I'll just like, text you hints.
Okay, you can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, baby. I will talk to you later.
Okay, talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so we're going for a ride. It's deadly windy out, so I'm not going to record anything on the way over to the bike. So, I just scraped ice off the seat of my bike. Not that you can see it or anything. It's super windy. Sorry if the audio is crap. Yeah, it feels like -4 or something right now. Let's go for a ride.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Okay, that was madness. I don't think I'm going to be doing that anymore tonight. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little ending and just say, hey, the not smoking is going well. Thanks for those of you who've asked. I'm going to go thaw out and play some video games or watch a movie. Anyway, have a good night.